In the jolly town of Joyville, where laughter bubbled like happy streams, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were set for a day of delightful adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and sparkling eyes, had a brilliant idea: a game called Joyville Letter Scavenger Hunt. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Joyville, Fluffly wagged his tail and hid large foam letters around the town square. The friends were thrilled, ready for the letter-seeking challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, turned Joyville into a letter-filled wonderland. The Joyville Letter Scavenger Hunt was ready to begin. Each child, with joyous smiles, set off on a mission to find the hidden letters. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the letter hunt bring joy." The children, with giggles and grins, scampered around, searching for letters like detectives on a joyful mission. Benny, with his eagle eyes, spotted the letter J tucked behind a tree. Zoe, with her speedy legs, found the letter O hiding near a bench. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, discovered the letter Y peeking out from behind a flower pot. Lila, with her radiant smile, joined the letter hunt. Fluffly, with a playful twirl, added a challenge. "Now, let's put the letters in order to spell joy." The friends gathered, arranging the letters to spell out the word joy on the town square. Joyville echoed with cheers as the children celebrated their letter-finding success. With each new word, Fluffly, the letter maestro, added more excitement. The children searched for letters and joyfully spelled out words like fun, play, and happy. Joyville was alive with the sounds of laughter and the thrill of the letter scavenger hunt. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Joyville Letter Scavenger Hunt a success. The friends gathered in the centre of the town square, celebrating their letter-finding and word-spelling adventure. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cosy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their letter-hunting escapade. As the sun set in Joyville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of letters and creative play. The Joyville Letter Scavenger Hunt became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and joyful word-spelling fun. With dreams of more letter-hunting adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of delightful surprises in the jolly town of Joyville. Once upon a sunny day in the lively town of Playville, where joy and laughter were the town's daily melody, Lila and her magical dog, Fluffly, set out on a quest to create a game that would weave learning into the fabric of play. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail wagging and his magical powers sparkling like stars in his eyes, conjured an enchanted adventure named the Shape Shuffle. The goal was simple, yet extraordinary: to explore the wonders of shapes while having the time of their lives. With a joyful bark, Fluffly led the way to the heart of Playville's town square, which transformed into a magical learning space. There, under the bright blue sky, awaited a delightful assortment of colourful shapes: circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles, scattered like puzzle pieces across the ground. Fluffly, the mastermind behind the game, explained the rules in simple words, ensuring everyone could understand. "Friends, it's time for the shape shuffle. Find a shape, match it with its twin, and let the magic begin." Lila, Benny, Zoe, Giggly Gus, and the rest of the gang eagerly scattered across the square. Laughter filled the air as they discovered shapes hidden in nooks and crannies. Lila, with her keen eye, found a bright red circle. Benny, ever the explorer, proudly presented a square with blue edges. Zoe, with a twirl, showcased a yellow triangle. Giggly Gus, in his playful manner, unveiled a green rectangle. But here's where the magic of the shape shuffle truly began. Fluffly, with a whisk of his magical tail, transformed the individual shapes into colossal play zones. The circle became a magical spinning circle that made everyone giggle. The square turned into a cozy spot for sharing stories. The triangle transformed into a mini mountain to climb, and the rectangle became a tunnel of adventures. As the children explored, jumped, and played within the enchanting shapes, they unknowingly absorbed the magic of geometry. Fluffly, with his gentle eyes, watched as the children learned through play, proving that education and fun could dance hand in hand. And so, in the heart of Playville, beneath the open sky, the Shape Shuffle became a magical game that blended the joy of discovery with the wonder of learning. As the sun set, casting a warm glow over the town square, Lila and her friends knew they had found a treasure: the magic of shapes, friendship, and the joyous dance of learning. In Playville, where every day was an adventure, the Shape Shuffle remained a cherished memory, reminding everyone that even the simplest shapes could hold the grandest of wonders.